In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the storage capacity on your iPhone and why it's actually important to keep an eye on it. A lot of people don't realize that when your iPhone storage gets full, it can start causing different problems. Your phone may slow down, apps might crash, and sometimes you can't even install new apps or iOS updates. It can also affect things like taking photos, recording videos, or downloading files. So it's a good habit to check your storage from time to time. Let me show you how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a little and tap General. Inside General, look for iPhone Storage and tap on it. Now give it a few seconds while your iPhone calculates the storage. At the top of the screen, you'll see a storage bar showing how much space is used and how much is still available. It also shows which categories are taking up space, like apps, photos, messages, or system data. Below that, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your iPhone, along with how much storage each one is using. This is really helpful because it lets you quickly find apps or files that are taking up a lot of space. From here, you can delete apps you don't use anymore or clear up storage if needed. Checking your storage regularly helps your iPhone run smoothly. It prevents issues with app downloads, avoids camera problems when taking photos or videos, and makes sure your device has enough space for updates. So anytime your iPhone feels slow or you see a storage almost full warning, this is the first place you should check. And that's how you check your iPhone storage capacity in just a few seconds.